and welcome to No BS Baking. My name is JP, and today is a special day. Today I'm officially announcing the grand launch of No BS Baking. Now, I've been putting up some videos and stuff like this. There's been a few people that have been finding me, but I haven't done any promotion. I haven't let anybody know on social media anything that I was doing, and I did that for a reason. Because I wanted to get some content up there before I started inviting people to my channel. Hey, come on by my new channel, and I've got like 2 videos or something, right? So, anyway, now I got about 10, I'm getting on to close to 15 videos. I think I got enough stuff there that if you're looking for some information on baking, you're going to find something that you'll find valuable. Now, I wanted to tell everybody, too, a little bit about me. I am retired. I'm living in Southeast Asia now, and I never ever thought in a million years that I'd ever start a YouTube channel. Here I am. But there's a reason for it, and the reason is really quite simply, I had to. Now, a friend of mine came up and asked me, he said, another expat guy, said, hey, JP, can you give me a hand making some bread? I'm really having some troubles. I said, hey, why don't you just go to YouTube? Or, Google it, right? Isn't that what everybody does these days? He says, you know what, I've been out there, I've been looking around, I'm still having some troubles. Now, the first thing that popped into my mind was that, we are dealing with a really hot, sticky, humid climate here that's hot all year long. So maybe that's why he's having some troubles. He's missing something in his process. So I said, okay, give me a couple of days. Let me go out there and take a look and see what's happening out there on YouTube and get an idea of why you're having these issues. So I went out there, I started looking around, and I found a lot of good channels doing some really good things. I have to admit, the presentations were nice, their demonstrations seemed okay. And ultimately, at the end of the day, they produced some nice product. Then I found some other guys out there, and holy smokes. I mean, my blood was boiling. I could not believe why these people are out there and have a huge amount of following. I mean, they're running around their kitchens, their hair's all slicked back, they're talking really fast, they're talking about stuff that they don't even know about, really. Most of them aren't even actually trained bakers. They're just guys who figured, hey, this is a good way to get some views and make some money on YouTube. I could tell that. So I went on and I said, look, I got to do this. I got to start this channel. I got to clear up some of this BS that's out there, and thus how the name was born. There literally is a lot of people with a lot of viewers providing misinformation, completely wrong information, not enough information, not explaining the details and how the baking process works. Here's my recipe, you follow this and then you cut the dough and then you stick it in a pan. That's not good enough. Okay? You can wonder, you wonder why people are having troubles out there. These guys running around with their pH pens trying to teach people about pH. They don't even have a clue how it even works. It got my blood boiling to a point where I thought, you know what, I'm going to go out there and I'm going to give this a try. So I got some crappy equipment. You'd laugh if you'd seen what I'm using here. And I'm kind of mixing and matching and trying to get everything working to make it work for my videos. Eventually I'll invest in some new stuff, but I knew my presentation wasn't going to be that great anyway, and thus when you watch some of my early videos, you're going to see me, lots of hands, and, I'm kind of pausing while I'm talking, but anyway, I think I get the message across, and ultimately I'm providing some good information to people out there looking to learn some stuff about baking. Okay, anyway, I'm back. Mind you, it's a couple of days later. That took a little bit longer than I was expecting. But anyway, I just want to wrap this whole thing up by saying that I know some of my videos that I have out there can be a little bit dry, and some of them are a little bit too long. And you know, when you're talking about baking science and trying to explain lactobacillus bacteria and how that interacts with yeast and creates acid, and how pH works and what total titratable acidity is all about, you know, it can be boring stuff. But what my goal here is to not just give you a bunch of BS with no rationale behind it. I'm trying to actually teach in as simplest terms that I can some baking sciences, so that you, as the new baker, or you know, the novice baker, curious about these things, have something real to sink your teeth into, and not just understand how to make a bread, but understand why and how it works like that. And so anyway, I'm going to try to keep my videos shorter from this point forward, get to the point a lot more, and I am going to be getting in and spending some time in a few kitchens that I know of, and have some friends who have that, which are perfect, nice mixers, ovens, etc. We're going to be starting to bake off some breads. Going to be covering a whole bunch of different types of product. Going to have a special section for baking in the heat for those of us that are in real hot environments. And so I hope to have some really good stuff and interesting stuff for people to see out there. So anyway, once again, just thank you guys all for this. Bear with me. I'm going to make this channel better. I'm going to try to do some more fun stuff and cut the dry technical stuff down a little bit. But anyway, I'm glad to have you aboard, and welcome to No BS Baking. We'll see you again next time. Thank you very much for watching the video. I'm going to be releasing a lot of these little short videos, so hit that subscribe button, keep on top of everything that's coming out, and please drop me a line and let me know what you think of everything in the comment section. So anyway, thank you. See you next time on No BS Baking.